A long time ago, in a galaxy right f***ing here, I said I was going to open a little pop-up pocket notebook shop with 13 notebook packs available. This is pack 12. The comic book pack. Each pack comes with 3 hand-bound pocket notebooks made from upcycled and reclaimed materials, like office supplies, magazines, or wallpaper samples. Each pack features 3 different covers with 3 different paper types as the pages. The packs come belly-banded in complementary colors to accent the 3 covers, which follow a loose theme connecting them. The notebooks are hand-bound with Irish linen thread and hand-stamped. The Maker Maddox logo is ghost stamped in a shifting white ink on the bottom right of each notebook. The hand-stamped branding seems to disappear in different lighting conditions for optimum discretion. The papers featured are a combination of upcycled lined paper, reclaimed blank paper, and either a dot grid or a solid grid paper. The 3 papers combined are aimed at all-around notation and mark-making, from planning, sketching, drafting, or general note-taking. The rounded corners and small size allow for easy everyday carry, and the hand binding ensures a soft touch when digging in your bag or pocket. The notebooks are hand-bound using a pamphlet stitch in either white or yellow Irish linen thread, according to each colorway. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!